my second home. This is my second family, and Armacell changed my life. I've been working in Armacell almost for 15 years. I started as a temporary employee, and after 3 months, I became a full-time employee where I had the opportunity to move to different areas. So I've been an extruder operator, team lead, and I had the opportunity to be a training coordinator.
I started as a trucker, and from trucker I moved to packer, and from packer I moved to lead packer. But in the lead packer roles, you have to learn several other roles, so I've grown tremendously. I love everybody that's here, and it's family-based. Everyone enjoys everyone, loves everyone, and we have fun while we do a good job.
My favorite part of working at Armacell is working with the people. Coming to work, it makes it much more enjoyable to come collaborate with people you enjoy to work with.
It's a great team. It's a very supportive environment. Everybody works together and is looking to help each other succeed. Some companies have silos that you work within and you don't interact with other people outside of your work area, and that's not the case here. So that's the reason that I feel like I'll be with Armacell for a long time.
My best day on the job here at Armacell is actually, we weren't working. We got the opportunity to come in and do a cookout for the employees that work on the floor and to show our appreciation to them and the hard work that they do.
My best day on the job is helping people. If I can help another department to keep that department running, that's a great day at Armacell.
A lot of our plants make similar products, and for us to collaborate with our sister plants across the globe and put that product to the customer hands and reducing the cost, I mean, that is, to me, the most important thing about working for a global company.
I talk to a lot of contractors that come to the DC to pick up their material, a lot of installers, and they swear by our product. They say it's the best.
We're the market leader when it comes to flexible foam insulation. We also provide a green product, which is making energy efficiency, and it's actually helping the environment.
It's making a difference around the world, right? So the same way Armacell give me the opportunity to grow, I want everybody come with us and have the same opportunity.